Hello, families. So I'm going to explain our new learning from home schedule that we will start next week. Okay, so learning from home will be from April 13th, which is next Monday, through May 29th. So the first thing that I want to explain are the student assignments, which is this section here in orange. So I from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. each day, we will want students to be completing their activities on this choice board, which is going to be linked here. So when you receive this document, you will be able to click right on this link and it will take you there. I will be sending out this new choice board every Monday. So on Monday, I will link the new choice board, and then students will work on that same choice board throughout the whole week. This is just as an example choice board. This is not the one that they will receive next week. So they're going to be writing activities in the first column, math activities, the second column. Then there's reading activities, related arts activities, and then the last column is just more their emotional, talking about kindness, things like that is going to be the last column. So again, this is just an example. There will be one specific for first grade that I will receive on Monday, and then I will have that linked here in this section of our schedule. Um, the rest of this is going to be me just kind of talking about how office hours are set up and how I'm going to be working with you and your child specifically on whatever they need help with. Um, from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. each Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I will be available to answer any questions through Remind, or you can send me an email. Or if your child is having a more specific need, let's say math, they're struggling with math, you can click here where it says Zoom, and this is where I will be having a video chat with your child one on one. You can just sign up here, put the date in that you would like to meet with me, and then type in your child's name for one of the time slots. So since it's going to be an hour, it will be you can sign up from 9 to 9:20, 9:20 to 9:40, or 9:40 to 10 o'clock. So that's how I'll have Zoom meetings kind of scheduled on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for students who might need me to show them how to do the math work, or if you want me to look at something specific to their assignment. On the other days, Tuesday and Thursday, highlighted here in green, that is going to be for the whole class to have a Zoom class meeting with me. And Zoom will be something that's on their iPad. So I will make another video showing you and students how to log into Zoom. But students will be able to see me, they will be able to see each other. It will be a time for us to just talk about assignments for the week, answer any questions. Students can talk to each other. It's just that time for us to have that connection like we would in the classroom. And again, that'll be every Tuesday and every Thursday from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Again, from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. daily, they will be completing the tasks on that choice board. And I want to say for the choice board, students are able to work through it on their own as they wish. So there's not like a number of activities they need to complete for each row. So let's say they want to do this writing activity on Monday, and then they want to do this math activity on Monday as well. And then Tuesday, they want to do another writing activity. Like, as long as they are working through a few of the activities each day, that's all that matters for right now. So, again, you'll get the choice board on Monday. Some of them will be like, for math, there will be a video. So it might take you to a YouTube video for students to watch the instruction and then do some math work with the teacher that's on there. Okay, so and this for is across the whole district. So every first grade class in the district will have the same choice board. Okay. As students are working from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., you can contact me with questions through Remind One-on-One. So that'll be my only way of contact from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. through Remind One-on-One. I will also have office hours again from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, so if you would like to do a Zoom meeting one-on-one from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., or you want me to talk with one of the students about, let's say you want me to talk with your child about how to do the math problem from one of the tasks on their sheet, then you can again go back to this Zoom sign up sheet, sign in your child's name for one of the time slots, and then we can meet. I tried to make these um, office hours around my baby's nap time so that way I will be able to talk uninterrupted with each of you about your needs and your concerns. You can reach me through my email, which is listed here. Um, and I don't think I have anything for right now. Please make sure that you have filled out the form for your child to get their device on Wednesday. I did find out that if you have a child in third or fourth grade, as well as a kinder or first grader, you don't have to come back for that other time. They'll just give you your bag with all your kids' things in it. So I know a few of you have older kids as well in like third or fourth grade. You don't have to come back at that noon to 3 o'clock time slot. You will get all of their things right on that at that time that you come on Wednesday. Please feel free to send me a message, reach out to me if you have any questions about this schedule. I'm going to send this out to you guys as soon as I upload this video and get the video to you. And hopefully by Monday, we'll be able to roll this thing out. Kids will be able to meet with me again on Tuesdays and Thursdays. They'll be completing their assignments daily. And then on Friday, I will be having a way for students to send me a picture of their work that they've completed on their choice board. I'm really excited. Can't wait to work with students. So please, again, feel free to reach out to me with any more questions that you have. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will talk with you soon.